Look, I had shown you that we're going to install vinyl flooring in the bedrooms of this apartment that we're renovating, right? See this here? This here is self-leveling cement that we applied, okay, to prepare for the vinyl flooring installation and adhesive. Before applying this self-leveling cement, I used this product, which is Smart Resin, and it worked as a primer for me, okay, so I could then apply the self-leveling cement. I applied it, it dried, and what am I doing here now, huh? The same thing, look, take a look. I'm applying the Smart Resin again, okay, so I can finish and make the job complete. Before applying the self-leveling cement and after applying the self-leveling cement. So it worked here for me as a primer, and it's also working as a base for me to later apply the glue for the vinyl flooring when we get to that part. So what's the tip in this video that I want to share with you if you're going to install vinyl flooring in your house? It's important for you to use self-leveling. You need to apply the self-leveling compound to your subfloor, okay? It's very important because it's going to make the floor here look. Check out how perfect this floor is. Show it up close. This way you won't have any waves in your vinyl floor, okay? It's perfect here, see? So the self-leveling compound is important for that. But to apply the self-leveling compound, you need primer. And after the self-leveling compound, you need another product so you can apply the glue. So that's what I use and recommend to you, okay? Smart Resina, I've used it for a while. If you follow me here on the channel, you know that I've been using this product for many years and I recommend it to you, okay? That's the tip for this video. If you want to get this product, I'll leave the link here in the video description for you, okay? You can buy it directly from the Escuta Ovelho website, okay? If you use the coupon ARK7, you'll still get a discount. I'll leave a little discount there for you, okay? But make sure to use this product here. Do your research. If you knew the power this product has, you would use it for everything in your project, for everything. So, that's the tip for this video. You can buy it in the video description below. That's today's tip. Take care.